Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you're signed into the correct account because errors often stem from auth issues. Once done, verify your connection, switch between Wi-Fi and cellular to see if the error persists, since bandwidth matters. Next, update the YouTube app and clear its cache. This removes corrupted temporary files. Make sure to force stop the app and relaunch. These first actions remove common local causes quickly, and they set you up for deeper troubleshooting if the problem continues. Once the basic steps don't work, isolate the environment. Open an incognito window or different browser to rule out extensions and cookie issues. Make sure to flush your DNS cache and consider switching DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 because DNS can misroute requests. Disable any VPN or proxy temporarily as they can trigger service errors. Also, reboot the router and test YouTube on a second device to confirm whether the problem is device-specific or network-wide. To finish, remove app-level corruption. Uninstall and reinstall the YouTube app or reset your browser to default settings. This restores clean configurations. If network issues remain, power cycle the router and only perform a factory reset when you suspect persistent firmware or configuration corruption. If none of this clears the error, escalate. Gather logs, note the exact error text, time, account ID, and steps you've tried, then contact YouTube support. Troubleshooting tip. If problems reappear, test via a mobile hotspot to isolate
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.